I made this jewelry organizer for bracelets or other things. The wood was from a trophy base. I didn't have the marble, but I sanded it, stained it. I thought it looked a lot better. And then I had some pipe that's fully threaded. I just needed to cut it down and then deburr it and make sure it's nice and smooth. That way I can put it all together and it'll be nice and sturdy. The wood, the leather, and a few of the pieces of brass were secondhand. A scrap piece of leather that I had, that's actually a sample, and I'm just trimming it down, making sure it's nice and square. I wanted to wrap it in leather because, as you can see, it's threaded, so it's not very smooth, and so that the jewelry doesn't fall off as easily. And then I'm just sewing it on. I was able to do this in 3 hours, but the sewing took an hour, and this is it finished. I did add little brass finials on the end because I couldn't figure out how to wrap the leather around the ends, but I think it turned out even more professional and more nice. I love how the leather is just the right thickness for the brass finials, and this is it with some bracelets. I actually made this to put fur cuffs on, but I need to buy some fur cuffs, and I think it turned out great.